Hello, my name is Joe, and today me and my mommy are going to make some fresh chunky popsicles made out of milk chocolate milk. The ingredients are four buckets of chocolate milk of Chucky, a measurement cup, some icicle pop stands, and a star shaped thingy that I don't know what it is. First, you shake the milk. Then you open this pot and squeeze it here. Then you get the scissors and cut. Then my mommy is going to cut this cotton. And these last two cartons too. Right, Mama?
Yes.
Then we're going to pour all of the milk in. And we're going to pour another one.
Down a little bit.
2 cartons of Chucky milk make 400 kiloliters of milk.
ML, John.
Next, we're going to pour this juice into these pitchers.
Okay.
I didn't do it all the way up to the edge here, all because when my mom told me that when you put it in the freezer where it comes out, the popsicles will grow higher and higher until it's very big. So I have to keep on pouring all the way up to this maximum size only. Now I'm going to do the rest. This is the last one. With the other Chucky milk, we're going to drink it all. Now my mom is going to wash the lids for these star-shaped thingies that make popsicles so that we can put it on them and then put it into the freezer. This is the stick that is shaped like a star, if you see here. But when you point it like this, it sort of looks like a jellyfish. Now I'm going to put these in. Only 3 more to go. 1, 2, and finally we're going to do number 3. Ta-da! Then we're going to put this into the freezer, wait for 2 hours, and after that, it's going to be completely frozen, and it's called a popsicle. This is the ice. If you shake it around, how does it sound? This is the leftover milk that I'm going to drink. Watch me drink. Excuse me, but here is the popsicle that I made right just now. I'm sorry that was due for about I'm sorry I was due for 5 hours, but have you enjoyed this video? If you like, tell me Tell me how funny I have drunk the drink in the comments. Thank you.